Okay, I got this program called Wallpaper Engine. I just want to show you some of these wallpapers I have for when you're on your desktop. I got this. Comes with some music. Try another one. Which one would we try? Here's my second favorite one. So relaxing. And then we have this. That's Dubai. These are some of the ones that I downloaded that I really like. And this is, I'm not sure if I paid $5 for this, but it isn't much. But most of this stuff is free. The downloads are free. There's some one with rain. Cosmos. I don't know if you can tell yet. It's turning slowly. And you get this weird stuff like this. So anyway, just Google Wallpaper Engine. And they got thousands of these things. I just downloaded about 20 or 30 of my favorites. You get some weird stuff like this. But I tend to like the landscapes and the rain. I like the rain. For flying, there's some beautiful clouds. Moving desktop wallpaper. They say it eats up your memory, but I haven't noticed any problems. It seems to run with me with no issues. You like zombies? Trying to get through my computer. An airplane. Kind of makes your desktop a lot nicer than just looking at Microsoft Wallpaper. And there's a mean motorcycle one.
Time
I'll use that one at Christmas. There's another rain one I really like. Where was it? This one. I kind of like this one. No sound, but it puts rain on your windshield, on your window, your monitor. Kind of cool. There's a ton of them. Then there's another rain one. I think it's got some sound to it. Like this one. Yeah, so like I said, Wallpaper engine. And what else we got that's pretty cool? A bird one? Anybody into bird? Bird one here. That's a cardinal. We got a few of them in our backyard. And of course, for you techies, there's the Matrix. I have the Matrix. And what else we got here? We got tons and tons of them. Well, Game of Thrones. Anybody like Game of Thrones? It doesn't do much, but it looks kind of cool. And what else have we got? Well, you saw the fish at the beginning. I think I have a different fish one. Here's a different fish one. It makes it hard to see your icons, so I don't use it too much. But I usually change it every 2 or 3 days. I stick with one for 2 or 3 days, then I'll switch it up. And winter snow with a creek. I don't know if you can tell, but the creek is running. You can see the water moving. That's what it looks like here in the winter. Welcome to Canada. And what else we got here? A World of Warships. Yeah, they can put streaming videos on it too, as you notice. And then you get your and here's Toronto at night. It doesn't do much, but that's Toronto, so I put it on with the CN Tower. That's about an hour from here. I had to put my what you call my home city nearby. And here's one from my friend Sherry. It doesn't do much, but it's Ayers Rock in Australia. There you go. The mud kinds of moves around on the bottom there with the grass. Kind of sludgy. And what else we got here? Oh, then you get your typical run-of-the-mill particle stuff like you get on screensaver kind of thing, but it's for your desktop. Does all kinds of weird stuff. Oh, tons and tons of this stuff. All kinds of good stuff. And I just have fun changing this every day. Just gives your computer a different look, so it's not so boring. Here's a nice. In the winter time, I'll use this one. Kind of nice. I can look at this when the snow is 3 feet deep outside. Anyway, there you go. Enjoy.